Cerro Banco Cascada. Getting to this waterfall almost killed me. I never would have found it. To get here, I finally found some guys. One had a machete. The guy in front of me had a machete. The guy behind me had some rope. And I like to trust in the goodness of mankind. But it kind of had me wondering a little bit, like, well, yeah, it's just right down here. It just looked so easy on that tourist map. And getting here was really difficult. And then we go marching into the dark heart of the jungle with rope and a machete. Like, yeah, follow us, senor. It's pretty incredible, though. Was it worth it? At the moment, no. At the moment, I wish I was home with a nice cold root beer, surfing the internet. This is one of those moments that sucks. It sucked to get here. It's gonna suck getting back. But given some time, I'll be able to look back with fondness on this moment, and I'll be happy that I did it. But if you're asking me right now, no. I'm dreading the way back. These are the guys that finally got me to Cerro Banco Waterfall. This guy's got some rope. This guy's got a machete. I would appreciate it if you would tie me up and cut me in little pieces, because my leg hurts so bad, you guys. It's killing me. Seriously. I was doing okay on the flat ground, on the road, but on this gnarly stuff. And we had to cut our way down here. The trail was completely overgrown. So I never would have found it without these guys. ¿Cómo te llamas? What? Yeah. My name's Ryan. ¿Usted? Jesus. Okay, I can do that one. Repite. Tu nombre. That one's tough. Okay. Vámonos. Regreso. Adiós, Cerro Banco. Well, made it back to the bike, and